A tiny organ deep in the abdomen can turn an ordinary day into an emergency. Appendicitis begins when the appendix becomes blocked, trapping bacteria inside and building dangerous pressure. The pain often starts near the belly button, sharpens in the lower right side, and can escalate fast if the organ begins to tear. Today, doctors can diagnose and treat it quickly, often with surgery and sometimes with antibiotics alone. But the story of Dr. Rogozov in Antarctica reminds us how critical timing is and how even a small organ can become life-threatening when help is far away. Now, I'd love to hear your perspective. Share your thoughts in the comments.